Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can pick theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select themes. Then click on more next to free themes over here and tap on themes at the bottom left corner if they are not already on. Then click on the search bar and type wherever you wish to, like Christmas. Then pick more over here next to themes and select the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Then you need to choose free and tap on apply. Also, misclick, apply, and now when I click home button, I can see that theme of my device has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by accessing settings again, choosing themes, and tapping on my themes over here. Then click on Poco or Limitless one, and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!